Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So cloning yourself with AI means creating a digital version of your face and identity that you can reuse in images, videos and content without needing to be on camera every time. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to clone yourself using OpenArt in 2026. Okay, so first thing, prepare your pictures. Okay, so this is the most important step. Collect 10 to 20 photos of yourself, include different angles like front, side, okay, different expressions, good lighting, clear face, avoid blurry images, filters, and sunglasses because clean data means better clown, okay. Upload to OpenArt, okay, so go to OpenArt's model training, okay, if available, upload your, picture, train your costume model, wait for training to complete, okay, and this creates your AI identity. So generate your AI self, like use your trained model, like write prompts, for example, same person, cinematic lighting, writing, suit, professional, portrait, okay, so like this. Okay, generate multiple outputs. This is your AI version. So refine your look, like improve face accuracy, lighting, style, regenerate until it matches you. Okay, so keep consistency, like always use same model, similar prompts at same person. It keeps identity stable. Okay, use in videos, like turn images into video clip or use talking avatar tools, add voice, create full content without filming. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.